What's up, y'all? Today we back with another video. I had some leftover chicken, but yeah, I just add some hot sauce to it. So I'm gonna get to y'all when I get into the video. Now I'm ready. I put a lot of hot sauce. Well, not that much hot sauce, but yeah, I just put hot sauce on the chicken. I put hot sauce in my chicken. Alright, but let me stop playing though. But yeah, I put hot sauce on it, and then yeah, cause just as you can see at the title, y'all already know what I'm doing. So it's hot. But I just add some hot sauce to it. That's it. Yeah. Stay hot. DJ, stay hot to the camera.
What?
He don't want to say hi to the camera. Go follow. Go subscribe to him. His is Damari Belcher. This is actually good though, but hot at the same time. Why?
Jordan, you got girlfriend. Jordan, you got girlfriend.
What you know about that?
You hit me. Hit me. Hit one more time. Hit me one time. Hit one time.
What you talking about? I ain't even hit you. What? Let me see.
Jordan. Jordan.
Send that to me, alright? But yeah, it's really hot though. But yeah, if y'all like my intro, comment down below yes or no. Like, yeah. And if y'all, I did. Add me back.
I did.
You good then? Because I add you. You wanna say hi?
Bitch.
Hey, don't say that.
Don't say that. A pop. Business. Yes.
You failed. Hot. This is hot. My bad. I got corona. I'm just playing, y'all. You wanna say hi to YouTube? What's up, YouTube? He might start a YouTube. He don't want no YouTube. He don't want no YouTube. I'm telling him. If okay, I tell him that y'all go just Jayla go subscribe to you. You already. Y'all go follow my boy. Garner Enterprise. Yeah, that's. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, that's my homie. But yeah. Yeah, that's my friend. Yeah. It's hot. I need some Coca-Cola. But I lost, but I don't care.
Damari Filter! Damari Filter! He's you.
But yeah,
You want to hate you?
did. But I'm about to end. Goodbye or good night. Y'all about to go to bed or something like that. But yeah, bye y'all.
Spinning and you drop. Hey, that's what I'm talking about.